Welcome to PCWizKid's Tech Talk. Today we're looking at the Seagate FireCuda 510. The series of SSDs that Seagate has to offer is from the gaming line that they have. I've got the 1 terabyte model. Yes, it does come in different sizes, but today, you know, this one here, 1 terabyte, terrific sequential read and write. As you can see right there for the read and the write. We're going to put this to the test in just a moment, of course, during my benchmarks, but I'm very eager to show you that. Now, it's best fit for gaming PCs, laptops, high performance workstations. Yes, of course, if you're doing some video editing, you want things to fast load, this is going to fit the bill perfectly for you. Comes all the way up in model sizes to a 2 terabyte model. Okay, as you can see right there, I'm using the 1 terabyte, but you can see from the stats, pretty much very similar, especially the form factor M.2. They're all using the NAND, 3D NAND TLC flash memory. Mean time between failure, 1,800,000 hours. Wow, I mean, this thing is meant to last. Okay, and Seagate makes it easy for you to manage, track, control, check the stats, update the firmware. It has the C tools that you can download for free from them, and then set that up, which is great. So you can check the temperature. You can obviously format it. You can check the health of it as well. So different types of things that you can do to optimize your SSD. Now, as I showed you a second ago in the specifications, this is using the PCI Express 3.0 gen, and there's going to be a limitation, of course, on the speeds because of that. But the form factor and the way it installs on your motherboard is pretty much standard. It hasn't changed, and even the look and feel of it hasn't changed as well. It's really the chipset, the 3D NAND technology that's on there, and the way that this is basically put together that makes the difference behind and under the covers. But when it comes to the looks of it, that's pretty much standard, okay? And installing it as well is nothing out of the ordinary. You can see it right there. Now, about 36, 37 degrees Celsius once installed, and that's pretty darn good considering that there's no heatsink. And the FireCuda here, I've already formatted it in Windows 10, as you can see right there. So we're good to go. And well, what can I say? Let's put it to the test. The first benchmark tool that I've got is Atto Disk Benchmark. You can see right there that the sequential read and write is bang on the advertised results there that I have with what was on the box. So I'm very happy to report that. CrystalDiskMark, same deal. Really close to the desired benchmarks. I really like to see stuff like this. It's consistent. ASSSD has slightly different ways of testing and doing the sequential read and write, but again, very high results as well. And also, you want to look at this from a different point of view, like real world type of scenarios when we try to copy an ISO, a program, a game. How many megs per second is it actually doing that, copying it back and forth from one drive to another or within itself, right? Here are the AIDA64 benchmarks as well for the read, so you can get a good sense. So that's definitely at the 3 gig or 3000 megs per second on that one. PCMark 10, very interesting results here. If you compare those to other SSDs, it gives you an idea on where this compares. So if you've got other SSDs that you're looking into purchasing, you might want to think again if you're comparing the results here that I'm getting with the PCMark 10 full system SSD benchmark score that I got of 1524 compared to these other SSDs. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is right up there. It's providing a lot of performance, and definitely recommend it. I'll add the latest pricing below in the description if you're interested. Let me know what you think, and again, I'd like to thank Seagate for providing it, and thank you for watching.